This video will go over the login process, certification of logs, and checking your available game time. First off, your login. Once you open the app, you will come to this login page. Here you will enter your login ID, which is always in the form of an email, as well as your password. Underneath these areas, you see two boxes where you can check. The first one is show password, so you can see what you have typed in there. The second one is save password, where you have the ability to save your password so you don't have to type it in anymore. One word of advice is if you save your password, go ahead and write it down someplace because you do need it in other areas of the application. So once you have entered your login ID and password, you go ahead and you click login. It's going to sync up your logs and prepare your logs. This may take a couple minutes, so be patient. Next up is a pop-up that tells you any uncertified logs you might have remaining out there for the past 7 days. Certifying your log electronically is the exact same thing as signing your log if you were on paper. No different. The FMCSA and the DOT do not recognize uncertified logs as being valid. So it is crucial that you certify your logs every day. Typically, we advise our customers to certify their log from the previous day the next morning once they log in. In order to certify a log, it's pretty simple. You just go over here, you click certify. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to certify? Is this log correct? You click agree. It is going to generate a PDF for this log. As you can see, I have successfully created my PDF and certified my log. So this is going to be stored now in the portal as well as on the application. So there's really no reason to have to email this to anybody unless your company policy says you have to. So I am not going to email this to anyone. All right, so you have gotten in here, you have certified your logs. Now it's time to make sure that you can go ahead and drive. Nobody likes it when they go and they drive and all of a sudden they were 10 minutes too early for their shift reset and they have to start their 10-hour break over again. So in order to do that, what we're going to do is check our game time. To do this, you go to Options and click on Game Time. This will tell you exactly to the minute when your shift will reset. So today at 11:18 p.m., I will gain another 11 hours of drive time. So I cannot move that truck before 11:18 p.m. without messing up my cycle time.